Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Windows 11 and wondering whether you really need an antivirus software, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing the top 3 antivirus programs I personally recommend. They are all free, lightweight, and don't come with any annoying ads or bloatware based on my personal experience. I'll walk you through each one, show you how they work, and help you decide which one fits your setup best. So let's get into it. Now before we jump into the list, let's quickly talk about why you even need antivirus on Windows 11 in the first place. A lot of people think Windows is secure enough on its own, and to be fair, it's come a long way, but the reality is threats are evolving too. There is still a chance of getting phishing links, fake downloads, malicious browser extension, and even stuff bundled into free software, and it's not always obvious when something goes wrong. Today malwares are smarter, quieter, and it can steal your data without even realizing it. Therefore, having a good antivirus is like having an extra layer of insurance. It doesn't mean you can click on anything carelessly, but it does mean that you got something to watch your back. Okay, let's talk about the first one on the list, and honestly my favorite, which is Windows Security, the antivirus that comes built in right into Windows 11. Now a lot of people overlook it just because it's built in, but trust me, it's actually really solid. It runs in the background, doesn't slow down your PC, and handles most common threats without needing to install anything extra. I've personally used Windows Security for a long time on my main PC, and I haven't had a single virus issue. Of course, you still need to browse smart, but for most people, this is more than enough. Plus, you can get all of these advanced features, for example scan options, quick scan, full scan, custom scan, and the handy offline scan if you need to catch the deeply hidden threats. You also get cloud delivered protection and reputation based protection, taps into Microsoft Threat Intelligence to block new malware based on file reputation. You get smart app control, which prevents untrusted or unsigned apps from running in the first place so malware doesn't even get a chance. And also, you get real-time protection and tamper protection so nothing can turn off your defenses behind your back. Next up is Malwarebytes Free, one of the most trusted antivirus tools out there, and I personally used it for years alongside Windows Security. Okay, let's go through the installation process. Since I have a personal PC, I will choose personal. After that, we can see that we have the option to install Malwarebytes browser extension, which is also great to have, and it's a good idea to install it too. I will show you this extension later on in the video, but because I already have this extension installed in my browser, I will skip this part. Now all I have to do is to wait for the installer to download and install the program. After waiting for a few minutes, the downloader downloaded and installed Malwarebytes. As you can see, I'm gonna skip a little bit further, and as you can see right here it says success, and now I can click on open Malwarebytes, and as you can see we are here having Malwarebytes installed on the PC, and that's how easy it is. And now at this part I will click and skip, and right here we can see we can purchase the premium version of Malwarebytes, but in this case I just want to show the free version. So I'm just going to click on done, and as you can see we can see the free version of Malwarebytes right here. Once it's installed, you'll notice Malwarebytes doesn't replace Windows Security in the free version, it works alongside it, which is great. The free version is especially good for manual, on-demand scan. This means that you can run a scan at any time you suspect something is off, maybe after installing a sketchy app or visiting a weird website. It has a clean interface, and the scans are usually fast but thorough. It looks for viruses, potentially unwanted programs, adware, and other junks you might miss. What I like the most is that it doesn't constantly bug you or slow down your system. Yes, the premium version has a real-time protection, but for most people like me, the free version combined with Windows Defender is more than enough. But I always think that getting the premium version is also worth it, and it is a good idea to have. Having that said, all of the things that I said are based on my experience. Now that I installed Malwarebytes on my system, let me show you another great tool that they offer for completely free, the Malwarebytes Browser Guard extension. This add-on gives you real-time protection while you browse the internet. You can find it easily in the Chrome Web Store by searching Malwarebytes Browser Guard. Just make sure you're installing the one published by Malwarebytes to avoid any fake extensions. Once it is installed, you see icon pop up next to your address bar. The extension actively blocks malicious websites, trackers, scam links, and even ads that might try to sneak malware into your system. Something I really liked about this extension is that it doesn't slow down your browsing or your system, and also if you're using Malwarebytes on your PC, I highly recommend pairing it with this extension for added security. Before we move on, if this video has helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like, it means a lot. And if you have any question, don't forget to comment below. Next up, I went with Avira free antivirus. I downloaded it straight from the official website just to stay safe. The installation was pretty simple, just a few clicks and it was done in a few minutes. No confusing steps or anything like that. Once it opened up, I like how clean the dashboard looked. You get real-time protection right away, and it even checks for privacy risks and outdated apps. You can run quick scan, full scan, and even has a few extra tools like built-in VPN and junk cleaner, all in a free version. It didn't slow down my PC at all while scanning, and that's a big plus if you're working or gaming. So I started the first time scan and it went through my whole PC in less than 10 minutes, pretty fast compared to others that I used. It didn't find any threats on my system, which is good, and I liked it how it gave me a clear report at the end. No pop-ups, no pressure to upgrade, just straight to the point. For a free antivirus, this is solid. It runs in the background quietly and you can schedule future scans if you want to set it up and forget about it. So those were my top 3 free antivirus picks for Windows 11. I used all of them myself and they each do a great job without slowing things down. If this video helped you out, drop a like and consider subscribing. I got more simple tech videos coming soon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.